9.4% of French population holds crypto as the asset class ranked second in investment options. France's financial regulator, Autorité des Marchés Financiers, has published a study by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) on investment choices and growth levels in the country. In the survey released on October 13, digital assets ranked second in terms of popularity across the country, with 9.4% of adults owning cryptocurrencies, while 2.8% of participants own non-fungible tokens (NFTs). According to the survey, 24% of adults living in France are financial investors who hold multiple instruments, with over 12% representing new investors who came into the field in post-2020. Real estate topped the most desired investment product in the country as 7% of the population hold such assets. While crypto products come in second, listed individual shares, unlisted shares, bonds, and investment funds come next with 7%, 3%, 5%, 6%, 5%, 4%, and 4.5% respectively. New investors showed higher demand for digital assets, although they were more prone to investment mistakes than traditional investors. Men accounted for 64% of new investors, while women made up 36%. Young entrants notched positive numbers. 65% of new investors own traditional trading products compared to 85% of older investors. New entrants made up their number from the digital asset market, 54% compared to older investors with a mere 25%. Although crypto was mainly seen as risky in previous years, several traditional firms and wholesale clients have now been exposed to the asset class, with Europe setting the tone for a new investor appetite. Crypto exchange Bigamo to open 75 crypto ATMs in Europe next year. Bigamo has announced that it would establish 75 cryptocurrency ATMs across Europe in 2024, promising the best rate in the market. #crypto news #cryptops /t co/JLQNWGP is66. Crypto news. Crypto news September 11, 2023. The survey was conducted to determine the levels of financial literacy among the French population, as new retail investors have been recorded in recent years. It involved 1,056 relatively new investors in shares and virtual assets, analyzing their motivations for meddling in certain products. In furtherance of its objectives, a second document will be released in 2024 in partnership with the Banque de France and will highlight financial education strategies for new retail investors. Diversification and profits drive investment. Participants listed several reasons for investing in financial products, ranging from diversification to higher income and sustainability. 35% of participants were moved to invest in the market based on having multiple asset classes, while 28% invested based on profits, and another 28% were advised to do so by a trusted party. Most investors derive their information from product documents, acquaintances, media, and financial institutions. Due to financial uncertainties, most young investors express caution in all markets. The majority of new retail investors, 61%, say that they will opt for moderate risk investments with moderate risks and returns. Others prefer low-risk investments, 21%, 28% of women. Only 16% said they would prefer to invest in high-risk investments, 20% of 25-34-year-olds, but 12% of 18-24-year-olds. French financial authorities have stated the need to have a properly regulated digital asset sector to protect all stakeholders and promote transparency while enhancing cross-border payments. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.